I'm Rena from Rena.ca, and this is do-it-yourself furniture cleaning. Furniture is expensive, so we want to maintain it, keep it clean, and smelling fresh. The key thing to do is to vacuum regularly. Using the dust attachment on your vacuum, wipe along the nap of your couch. Make sure that you don't forget to remove the dust attachment and clean in between seams, because that's where a lot of things can get stuck and lost. After that, you want to freshen it up so that it smells really good. What can you do? Well, what I like to do is take laundry detergent, 1 part laundry detergent to 4 parts water. Take a cloth and put some of this solution onto the area and wipe it down. Rinse with water and let it air dry. Now, some people don't like to use laundry detergent, and in that case, you can use household vinegar. White vinegar is all you need. Take 1 cup of vinegar and add your favorite essential oils. There's so many different kinds of essential oils, and you can find them at any grocery store or health food store. Take a few drops of your favorite essential oils and put it into the vinegar. And using a cloth, in the same way, take the cloth and put it into the solution and wipe it along your furniture. Your furniture is going to smell so good. If you have upholstery that can't get wet, there's still a solution for you. Take some baking soda and sprinkle it onto your upholstery. Leave it for about 20 minutes and vacuum as usual. And the last tip for keeping your furnishings nice and clean is take your pillows, put them outside, especially on freezing temperatures. Leaving them outside for 24 hours kills bacteria, and that way they smell good. If you don't have freezing temperatures in your area, put them in the freezer of your house. Leave them for 24 hours, take them out, and put them back on your furniture. I'm Rena from Rena.ca.